leaving Costa Rica after a week. And yeah, now I'm going to Panama City. It's a 17 hours bus ride, so it's noon, or the bus leaves at noon. And tomorrow at 5 AM I will arrive. And yeah, so let's go! After 6 hours we arrived at the border, so I got already the Costa Rica exit stamp. Now I'm going on the Panama side. It's really important. If I'm not getting the 2 stamps, then I can get really big problems when I want to leave Panama. So I arrived in Panama City 3 hours earlier than normal, so it's 2 AM. So in this part where my hostel is, it's really nice. It's really old and colorful, and yeah, it's really nice, like in the Caribbean, and yeah, like in the dream world. I'm going to this while I'm here in Panama. I'm going to see the Panama Canal. Let's hope that there's a ship goes through where I can see it, and yeah. Panama City was nice. Now I'm going to the bus station, or try to find a bus station, and then to El Ville or Valle de Anton. This town have a lot of different names. It should be a really nice hike. Let's go. The Indians, a sleeping Indian view, but no idea where it is. It doesn't look any of this mount like a sleeping Indian. No clue what they mean or how it should like. I don't know. before I was at the reception to extend one more night. Then she said, no, we are full. I said, fuck. So I looked up, it's almost everything sold out today. And then she's coming, yeah, but we could do for $7, so the half price. We can do a tent. And I said, yeah, why not? Something from the volcano. I have to leave it 15 minutes on it and then wash it, and then I can go to the Kamal bath. So that's it. After that, when I'm coming home, fuck, I will arrive in Austria on June 16 at 6:30 something with the train. And yeah, so 1 month and then it's over. My biggest dream is over. 10 months traveling. I thought I'd do 1 year, but yeah, it's enough. Wait, I need a minute. Yep, I don't have any words now. I don't know what to say or something. It's crazy. Alright, so yeah, the last month starts. It's crazy. It's a crazy feeling. But this was it. Panama. It was a pretty short. I didn't do a lot because of the heat. It was so crazy hot and so humid. So if you went out of the hostel, you died almost. And with the planning and looking for the flights, it took me I think 2 days for just looking for the flights and all this stuff. And yeah, so, but now I'm really excited about my last month. Starting my last month, starting South America. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I really appreciate it if you leave thumbs up or leave some comments. And yeah, so see you next time.